Good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel RDS Group class. As you know, yesterday I have explained chapter 8 Thomas Alva Edition. This is written by Mani Mehra and I have explained this chapter yesterday and this is our last chapter. So whose work is not completed, please complete. Okay, and this is the last chapter. So after that you all will write half yearly course completed and you all will complete your work of half yearly. Clear? If you have any problem or if you have no work, then tell me, I will send you, but complete your work. Okay, so after that I will start. After completing this chapter I will start your new chapter. So today let us start our book exercise. Everybody go through the page number 51. First question is choose the correct option. Number 1 is how old was Thomas Alva Edison when he started his first job? As you all know, he was only 12 years old. Young Thomas was naturally, how was he? He was naturally curious. Very good. Next, at 15, Edison, that means at the age of 15, Edison was selling his own weekly paper. Everybody take care and also fill the blank. Where did Thomas Edison establish his first laboratory? So he has established his first laboratory in New Jersey. Thomas loved looking for answers in books. That is clear to all of you. I repeat. First answer is 12 years. Second one is curious. Third is weekly paper. Fourth is New Jersey. Fifth in books. Now come to the true false. Number 1. Write T for true and F for false. Thomas Alva Edison once sat on duck's egg. This is true. Actually, he sat on eggs for that he want to that it would be hatch or not. So this answer is true. Wizard of Lenovo Park was the title given to Edison. False. Number 3, at the age of 15, Edison sold his own weekly paper. True. Electric light bulb was invented by Edison in Germany. False. In 1868, Edison invented an automatic vote counter. This is true. So, first answer true, second one is false, third one is true, and fourth one is false, and fifth one is true. That is clear to all of you. Come to the next exercise. As you can see, here is given identify and circle the silent letter in each word. Wait a second. Identify and circle the silent letter in each word. So number 1 is HOWR. Which alphabet is silent here? Here is H, that is silent. Number 2, who. In who, W is silent. And in number 3, listen, here is T is silent. Number 4, no. In no, KNOW, no, K is silent. Number 5, as you can see, the number 5 is guess. In guess, U is silent. And in number 6, autumn. In autumn, N is silent. After that, number 7, island. In island, S is silent. Number 8, talk. In talk, L is silent. Number 9, guide. In guide, U is silent. Next, number 10 is castle. In castle, T is silent. 11 number, sign. G is silent. Number 12, scissors. In scissors, S is silent. So you can see I have circled the alphabet that are silent in each word. So we can see this. So identify and circle the silent letter in each word. Here number 1 H is silent, number 2 W silent, number 3 T silent, number 4 K silent, number 5 U silent, number 6 N silent, number 7 S silent, S silent. Number 8, L silent. Number 9, U silent. Number 10, T silent. Number 11, G silent. Number 12, S silent. Next one is what is adjective? An adjective is a describing word. What is known? Adjective is a word that describes the quality of a person or thing. For example, a happy teacher. So here is what is adjective. Actually, adjective is a word that describe a noun. So happy is a adjective. A friendly watch. Friendly is an adjective. Here happy and friendly are adjectives. Choose suitable adjectives from the brackets to complete the sentences. Number 1, and dash scientist. So an amazing scientist. An amazing scientist. That means we have to write here the adjective word that describe the sentence. That means an dash scientist. What type of scientist? Amazing. A dash puppy. A loving puppy. The dash earth. Rotating earth. Next one is give me some dash newspaper to spread on cupboard shelf. Old. A dash snail was there in the garden. Small. So number 1 is amazing, number 2 is loving, number 3 is rotating, number 4 is old, and number 5 is small. So this exercise is completed. As you can see here, I have completed number 1, number 2, number this and this. So now my exercise is completed. When will I provide you PDF? You all will fill this. That is clear to you. Also read this. Okay. So today you all will read your exercise very carefully and listen this video very carefully. That is clear for you. Okay. Thank you for the today. Thank you and have a nice day.